Welcome class 6. Good morning to computer class. I am your teacher Nitish Kumar. This is your second video for chapter number 2, the mail merge. Mail merge is a feature of MS Word that we use to send so many mails with one written notes. One written notes means when we write one letter and send to so many people, then you say it's very easy, write a letter and send to everyone. But when you want to write a letter with so many address and different name and different address, then it's very difficult. Then you have to write every time a new fresh letter for everyone. Suppose you want to give a party and you want to invite so many people, so you write so many invitation. So that in that type of case, mail merge save your time, and it's also help you to write a letter and send to so many people in a one time. So now we see how it's done. So mail merge is a part of MS Word. So we start MS Word first. I already created a database for you. So how can we create a database in mail merge? Now we see we have to create a database for clicking the mailing tab. For mail merge we have to go in a mailing tab, and creating a new database, go in a select new recipient. From selecting recipients, type new list. In this area, for create a new list, okay, but we already create a list. So first we know how to create a list, and then we use our old list. Okay, so I'm show you how to create a list. Simply go in a mailings tab, click on the new recipient from the start mail merge group, click on type new list. So there is a way. I am filling the Mr. A, any second name, last name, for example, company name, any address, state, zip code. Okay, this time we have to fill a data. Now if so you fill a correct data. How can fill a correct data? Mr. Ravi Kumar, company name Ravi Enterprises, address Gomo, address line 2 Dhanbad, again Dhanbad, state Jharkhand, zip code if you want to give any, there is no problem. This is for the education purpose, so you can already fill the false data. It's not mandatory to fill the right data, but you want to use in your office, in your school for sending actually the letters, then you have to fill the correct data. If you fill the wrong data, how it will be going? Because no letter is going on a wrong address. Now the country India, phone number again, mail if we have. Okay, so this type for doing re-entry, we can use so many data with the use of this one. And for saving, click on OK for save this data. But if you don't want to save this one, because we are already using a database, so I'm clicking on the cancel option. Okay, now we save this one, and then when you use the last one which we are created, save. We already created a D, so now I'm creating any name. For example, I'm creating F and save. But now I want to use D, use existing list. Go in a mailings tab, use existing list. I'm using D. Click on the D, click on open option. Now look, how can we use it? So for this one, I'm gonna delete all these things and use one more time for you. When I'm writing a data, these fields are gonna active to the any letter. We start with the to, the, and the title name. For example, if I want to write the letter for a Mr., then we have to give the title name space, first name space, then the last name. Okay, then the company name if he have, then address Again you have to give the name in address if you want. Then address at address line 1 space address line 2 enter city space state enter. Now the zip code enter, country name, and if you want to give the phone number then you also give the phone number, but always give the phone number after the company on the top. Okay, so we have the two phone numbers. Okay, phone numbers space again the different phone numbers, work phone number. Okay, now this one is ready, but when we write this thing we are not see anything in this one. When we write this all this thing, but it's not understandable or the not we are not seeing anything. So for see our data we have to click on the preview result. We have to click on the preview result. Then we have the data, Mr. Ravi Kumar G, phone numbers, G is the company name, and his address. Then okay, see his address is in a proper manner. Then the main body of the paper, main body of the mail badge is this one. Subject, a party invitation. Respected sir, you are invited in our office on our office party to celebrate our success. If you want to write more then you can write more, it's not mandatory. For this is only for the education purpose, so I am writing 2 lines. You can write so many lines, and then your faithfully name, your name, address, your address. Okay, the sender address, actually the sender name and the sender address, and this one is the receiver name, and it is the phone number, receiver company number, receiver. But I am see the only one data, I am writing 3 data. So how can we see all data? So click on the here the forward button. This is the Ram, the third one, second one, and the third one is A Kumar, so third one. Now how can we finish our data? Must we write it all these things, but we have only one data. How can we use how can we have the all the data? So for doing this type of things in a mailing tab, you have to go in a finish and merge option. I'm going to finish and merge option and print document. All is good. Okay, you can also choose the current because we have only one paper, so you also can choose a one current record, but I'm choosing all records. Okay, click on OK. When I'm clicking the OK, he gives the option to choose our printer, so I'm choosing my printer, Qt PDF writer, then all, and click on OK. When I'm doing this type of thing, then he show the printed document name. I am giving any name, JU. You can give any name, there is no mandatory to give the JU. And also remember where is your location. My location is my document. Always see the location and click on save option. I am clicking the save option. Now I am going in a document area to see my work is done or not. Sorry, my mistake. In a document area, JU, this is the file which we are created. We have the Ravi Kumar 1 page, 2 page, and the 3 page. How many pages we write it? Only 1 page. And how many pages we have the as a output? It's 3 pages. So if you write it 50 data, then we have the 50 pages, and if you write it 4 data, then we have the 4 pages. And how many times he must be saved? 4 times. Then the first one, एक को राइट करने में जितना टाइम लगा उससे 4 गुना टाइम हमको और लगता है 4 पेजेस लिखने में, तो ये हमारा टाइम बचाया. सो इट सेव आवर टाइम, इट सेव आवर इफेक्ट, इट सेव आवर redundancy also, and it's very easy and very useful. Okay, I hope you all understand this chapter. Thank you for watching this.